Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Ashonda B, and I am back with a new video. Yes, it is Christmas today, so Merry Christmas to all. Thank you guys for supporting my channel this year and just giving me so much growth. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm styling my hair for Christmas. I'm going to go in and put some leave-in conditioner in my hair. It was already washed off of camera, so we're just going to hydrate it. Now I'm going in with my Do Grow oil, and I'm going to make my hair look shiny and seal in the moisture so our hair can stay hydrated for the holiday boo. So once I'm done hydrating my hair and sealing in the moisture, I'm trying to put it in a ponytail, as you guys can see, and my ponytail holders just be breaking. Like, y'all, my hair is now thicker than it ever has been since I've locked it. It used to be thick, but now it's like super thick. So yeah, I'm struggling, sis. So how I do my Bantu knots is I'm going to retwist 3 to 4 locks, depending on how big I want the Bantu knot to be. And then I'm going to twist those all together and make a Bantu knot. Now when I'm retwisting, I like to add the clip still because I want it to hold so it can look nice and fresh. We want the retwist to look very nice and fresh for the holiday, you guys. So I still add the clip, and then once I'm done retwisting all of the locks that need to go inside of the one Bantu knot, I take the clips off. As you guys can see, I'm done retwisting. Now I'm just going to twist in a circular motion all the way to the end, and then we're going to curl it into the Bantu knot and layer the ends of the hair under the root of the hair, as you guys can see. Now that you guys have seen me do the first one, I went ahead and finished some, and then I'm going to show you how it looks towards the front so you can kind of see better and get a better visual of how this style is supposed to go. So just keep watching, you guys. I'm going to do the exact same steps on each Bantu knot. Now you guys see I am all complete, and I did leave 2 locks on the side because I just thought it would be very, very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and retwist those locks on the side as well, and still leave my curls out on the side because I love the little curls on the ends. I have to have those. Like, it just makes my locks unique. But yes, I'm going to retwist each lock on both sides, and then I'll be back with you guys. Now that both locks are retwisted, I'm going in with my kaleidoscope edge control, and we are going to do our edges, sleek them up, make them look really, really nice. So I let my hair dry, and this is how my hair is looking. Very, very gorgeous. I am so happy with the outcome. Thank you guys for watching this video. Spend some quality time with your family today and enjoy your holiday. But like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl is out. Peace out, y'all.